Hello and welcome! My name is Whitnee Ice and I am your new host for Catatouille this fall 2018. And this week we are making creamy black bean taquitos and cilantro lime rice. First we will start by making our main dish, creamy black bean taquitos.
Here's what you'll need for the creamy black bean taquitos. 4 ounces of cream cheese, a 15-ounce can of black beans, a 4-ounce can of green chilies, 2 green onions, 2 to 3 dashes of hot sauce, 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 15 6-inch corn tortillas, and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil.
To begin, we are going to rinse and strain our 15 ounces of black beans. Then we are going to strain our 4 ounces of green chilies and chop our 2 green onions. Next, in a bowl, we will mix our black beans, green chilies, green onions, and 4 ounces of cream cheese. Now we are going to add 2 to 3 splashes of hot sauce. If you like a little more heat to your dish, you can add more. And 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Let's take 5 tortillas and stick them on a plate covered with a damp paper towel for 20 seconds in the microwave, and this will help prevent them from cracking when we're rolling them. Now, let's heat up our non-stick skillet on medium heat, and while we wait for this to heat up, we are going to fill our tortillas with our filling. Now we are going to add our oil to the bottom of our pan, just enough to cover the pan. While we wait for our oil to simmer, we're going to go to a commercial break, but when you get back, we are going to finish our taquitos and get to our cilantro lime rice.
Taquitos as they now exist are claimed to have been invented in San Diego, California by Ralph Pasquarilla Jr. when customers at his tortilla factory began asking for prepared food items. The tortilla factory became El Indio Restaurant, where taquitos and other Mexican food are still served.
Welcome back to Catatouille, and now that our oil is simmering, we are going to start our taquitos, and while they're simmering on either side and getting golden brown, we are going to start our cilantro lime rice. Here are the ingredients you'll need for the cilantro lime rice.
2 cups of uncooked long grain rice, 3 cups of chicken broth, a half a cup of dried cilantro, 1 medium lime, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil.
Now, in our medium saucepan, we are going to pour our 3 cups of chicken broth and our 2 cups of long grain rice. Then we are going to cover and bring to a boil. As soon as our rice comes to a boil, we will turn it down to low and let it simmer for 20 minutes. While the rice is cooking, we are going to prepare the cilantro lime mix. In a small bowl, I'm going to add a half a cup of dried cilantro, lime zest, lime juice, and a tablespoon of olive oil. After 20 minutes, we are going to turn off our heat and move our rice and let it sit for an additional 10 minutes. When we get back, I will finish our cilantro lime rice, so stay tuned on Channel 8.
Cilantro, a relative of the parsley family, is an annual. The plant originated in southern Europe, North Africa, and the western portion of the Asian continent. The leaves are scalloped, shiny, broad, and flat.
Welcome back, Catatouille fans. Once your rice is done cooking, we are going to fluff the rice. Now I'm going to fold in the cilantro lime mixture. I'm so excited to try this dish. It smells amazing, it looks great, I'm really impressed how it turned out. This is my first time trying to make something like this, and the lime is really coming through. The cilantro smells good. The chilies, the green onions, the beans, everything just smells great, and I'm pumped. I'm excited. I'm stoked. So I'm ready to dig in. Let's see how it tastes. The rice is very good. The taquitos have a lot of flavor. They are awesome. That little bit of spice from the hot sauce is coming through really well. Is really good. I'm impressed. Overall, I would give this dish a 4 out of 5. I would definitely give it a shot. That's all this week for Catatouille, but check us out on Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, and on KNWT Channel 8.